Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet and I do subscription box unboxings and product reviews. Today we are going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of September. So this is month number 2 for Ipsy on their changes that they made with allowing you to pick 3 of the 5 items in your bag, which to me that was a great move. Because I like having a little bit more control of what I'm going to be getting. That way I don't get inundated with, a million moisturizers or a bunch of black eyeliners, that kind of thing. So I like that change. I'm still not thrilled about the whole drawstring bag change. I don't know. I still am not really sure what to do with those bags. With the zipper bags, I could throw that in my purse with like my touch-up makeup. This is just, I don't know, it's just a little bit too clunky. So let me know what you think of the drawstring bags. Do you like them? What have you been using them for? I need ideas. All right, so I'm going to introduce you to somebody. His name is Carl. Carl has been hanging out on my forehead for about a week now, and I can't get rid of him. So there he is. He's made his appearance in my past 2 videos. He's driving me nuts. So I am actually going to try and kill him tonight with these blemish patches. Supposedly this is supposed to reduce inflammation and redness and absorb the impurities. So I've tried a drying lotion on this thing. I can't get him to go away. So I'm going to try these. I'll let you know how it goes on my Instagram page. Fingers crossed, because he got to go. So without further ado, let's get into the bag. So here's the lovely drawstring bag. And I do have an item that is not inside. So this first item was something that was pre-generated for me. So this is not one of my 3 selections. And this is a Star Skin Foaming Peeling Puff. But from the pictures on the back, it looks like it's one of those puffs that you put your hand in. Cleanse face and pat dry, tear open both sachets and pour peeling liquid into larger sachet. Add a few drops of water, squish to work up a lather. Okay, so you're actually doing that in here. Weird. Okay, and then gently massage skin in a circular motion, rinse face. So I think it's like one of those exfoliating pads. That's what I'm getting from it. I don't really want to open it. I'll open it. Oh, there it is. Okay. So yeah, so here is the peeling liquid sachet they were talking about. And then here's your little puff. You put it on your hand, you dump this in there with the sponge, lather it up, and scrub. So kind of neat. I've not tried anything from Star Skin, but this seems like it's up my alley and maybe it'll help get rid of Carl. And then the other one is a Star Skin Close-Up Firming Biocellulose Face Mask. So it's just one of those sheet masks. Definitely excited about those. And then inside the bag, it says September 2020 Good Vibes. Okay, so this is the second item that was auto-generated for me. This is from Context, and it is a vitamin C all-day eye cream. Okay. Yep, and just pretty typical of an eye cream bottle. Nice little size. This will probably last a while for it being an eye cream. Okay, so these are the items that I chose. So the first one is from Wander Beauty, and this is their Highline Liquid Eyeliner. I've tried a couple things from Wander Beauty and wanted to give their eyeliner a try. My favorite eyeliner is NYX Epic Ink Liner. I love a brush tip. I don't like the felt tips. I feel like the product doesn't come out as saturated, and I don't know. I just prefer the brush tips. And this is not a brush tip. Dang it. I thought it was when I saw it on the website. It is a felt tip, but it is pretty pointy. And there's a lot that just came out on that. It's not bleeding or anything on my hand, so it might not be too bad. It's almost like, this is so weird. It is almost like a brush tip, but it's also a felt tip, like kind of a hybrid. I don't know. There's a lot of product coming out on that though, so high hopes for this since I like the rest of their products. And let's see. All right, the next thing I chose was from ColourPop, and this was their wet lip bundle. I think there's 3 things in here, if I remember correctly. Yeah, so we've got the lippy pencil, and we have a shade. So this was a Bretman Rock collab with them. Don't see a shade name. Let's see. Oh, okay, so the lippy pencil is just called BFF3. Sure that means something. And it's very creamy. Kind of a brown color, brown nude. And then there is the Ultra Glossy Lip, which is just kind of like a blue lip gloss. There are little flecks of glitter inside, and this is called Kumquat. It doesn't really have a color. It does have that little brush tip to it. So it's not a doe foot. It doesn't really, not really leaning blue. It's just kind of a clear gloss. And then the last one is their Ultra Satin Lip, and it is in the color She Cute. So this looks like it's going to be like a slight demi-matte. I think that's going to be really light on me. We'll see. Maybe I can use that liner to kind of deepen it up a little bit. So that's that trio. All right, and the last one, if you haven't guessed, is going to be an eyeshadow palette. This is the Sakura and Sage Vegan Eyeshadow and Blush Palette. And the packaging is beautiful. I'd not heard of this brand before. Okay. I just bent my fingernail backwards. All right. Oh, that is pretty. So yeah, packaging on the inside matches. And that's what she looks like. So this says it's vegan, no talc, no mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates, no gluten. So yeah, cruelty-free and vegan. So we'll give this a go. What do you think, Carl? Should we do swatches? Carl says swatches. All right, so we'll take this first one called Filigree. Let me take my watch off. It's kind of throwing things off a little bit. I need to use self-tanner. So it's not super pigmented. It's very creamy though. So the next one is called Carob. I'm awful at this. A nice little shimmer to them. Next is Pecan, which looks like it's going to be a nice transition shade. Just a matte. Well, that went on pretty nice. And then there's a pink shimmer called Sparkle. And another matte called Chicory. This one's darker. Not too bad actually. And then the last one is called Silver. That's oh, that one ain't doing much. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah, I don't know if that one's more like a topper, but it's pretty hard pan. It's not doing much. Maybe if I get that top layer off, it'll do something. All right, and then the two blushes, are these supposed to be? Yeah, blushes. Okay, so you've got Azalea, which is kind of like a pink. Let's go right here. It's very pretty. And then you've got Dawn, which is more like a golden, almost looks like it'd be a highlighter. And there is the whole palette. It's just a nice little neutral palette to play around with. So let me go ahead. I'm gonna do my base contour as much as I can of what I don't have here, and then I'll jump right back in and we'll start doing a tutorial and play around with this stuff. So give me a second and I will be right back. I think that's as much as Carl's gonna let me cover him without completely looking like a big white dot on my forehead. So jump into the palette, and I think I'm going to use this Azalea color on my cheeks. And it does look like it has a little bit of a shimmer to it. There we go. Oh, tone that down a little bit. That's very pigmented. Tap that out. Excellent. Give myself clown cheeks. Place that's pigmented. Okay, not too bad. For the eyes, I'm going to use Pecan here in my transition. These are very powdery. Pretty. Ow. Ooh, that went on really nice. It's very pigmented. So far so good. Let's see, I think I kind of want to do like a deeper look. So I think I'm going to take this Filigree and put that all over the lid. Let's see how this does with a brush. Just got my little stub brush. Pick it up pretty good. Yeah, it's not applying too bad actually with the brush. Let's see what it does with the finger. It. Yeah, actually, I think it's applying better with the brush. And then I'm gonna deepen things up with this chicory color right here. It's just a dark brown. That one hair that keeps like falling into my face. I always struggle with this eye. I think it's because I can shut this one and leave that one open, and this one I can't. Okay. So I am gonna go back up top and just kind of deepen up. Here we go. All right. I want to see what is going on with this silver color. Let me see if I can use this as a topper. It definitely, maybe I'm digging in a little bit more, and it seems like it's coming off, but that in the center. Doing all right. It's not even doing anything on this eye. Kind of a bummer. That's a really pretty color too. It's like, it's almost got like a green shift to it for a silver. Yeah, it is just not liking that. Let me try with a brush. See if I can. Yeah, it's not even picking up with the brush. So first impressions of this so far, I like this part. Not so much this. And so far this blush is really nice. I've never actually done like a copper blush before, so I'll have to maybe try that out next time and see what that looks like, because I've honestly never really played around with a color like that for a blush. So next we are going to go in with the Wander Beauty liquid eyeliner and see how this goes. That went on really smoothly. That's really pretty. That went on so smooth. Let me do. That is nice. I actually really like that. Yeah, that is weird. It's a felt tip, but it's really flexible, so it's almost like flicking like it's a brush tip. NYX might have a competitor in this, so hopefully this wears really well. Let's see, what do I need to do? I need to do, let's do a little bit of highlight. And here. All right, let me go ahead and do mascara. This is just Ciate London, which I've been really liking this lately. Okay, I know what I forgot. I'm gonna do lower lash line. I'm just gonna take that dark brown chicory color, put that underneath. Bottom lash lines, and eyes will be done. Not too bad. All right, let's play around with these guys from ColourPop. Let's go ahead. Keep it like that for now. I know I kind of look like a crazy clown. And then let's try this. I think this is just gonna be way too light on my lips. Yeah, I definitely needed that darker color to put on underneath because this is just way too light for my lips, but I was able to kind of create like an ombre look. And I think it goes really well with this eyeshadow look. And let me just try this gloss real quick here. Okay. Beauty montage. So this is the finished look. I've actually never worn like a deep brown like this, and I actually like how this looks. I think this came together really well. Yeah, the test with the eyeshadow will be whether or not those wings actually pop off. But yeah, I'm actually really happy with everything again. Like I said, I'm really happy that Ipsy decided for the glam bag to allow us to choose. And so far it seems, well, I mean, this is only the second month that we've been doing this, but I've kind of liked everything that I've selected. I don't know. I kind of like it. Like this look is a really neutral look, but I don't know. I'm feeling pretty right now. Let me know what you think below. So that is all I'm gonna have for you today. Thank you as always for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. This is kind of a passion of mine, is doing makeup, so I'm kind of hoping to be able to do a little bit more of the tutorials type of thing, and maybe get outside my comfort zone and try some makeup styles and makeup tutorials that are a little bit more out there or trendy. Let me know what you think. Is that a direction that you'd like to see me go in? Or do you like the subscription box unboxings and try-ons? Just kind of looking for some feedback from you guys. So let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed. Hit the bell to let you know when I've uploaded my next video. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Say bye, Carl.